this is just very simple. I'll just have garlic, spring onions, and throw some from my greens and 2 eggs because I need 2 eggs in me, and a sambar, and also mung bean sprouts. It's optional. White noodles. So yeah, let's get started. Don't worry, I'm wearing mask so that I don't have the old splatter because we're gonna be cooking eggs with high heat and it splatters sometimes. So yeah, when I say like we're gonna cook by hot fire, this is like literally hot. Yeah, enough. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this is the part that's why I'm wearing mask. Spring onion, the white part first. Garlic. The greens. Give it a quick toss, put it on one side, and then add our sambar. I really love sambar because, you know, I like spicy stuff. Then just mix. Add chicken powder, is optional by the way. Then add in your noodles. Then quick stir, mix together. Then our sweet sauce is very important, guys. I really love it. And then some soy sauce. You know, you just have to adjust your, you know, seasonings according to your likings. And then just put it one side. And then we will add in our mung bean sprouts. Because like I like it actually like crispy, but I don't want it like to be too raw. So yes, just like that, quick. And then after that we just have to add in our spring onions, the remaining of it. Toss quick, and then that's it, done. That's our egg noodles.